Hello and welcome. My name's Kelvin Murphy, and I don't know about everyone else, but I for sure am just a tad fed up with the way government runs in Australia. Um, Planning on running a few little suggestions to them, and you can comment and tell me if you think they're good suggestions, bad suggestions. Don't care, they probably won't listen anyway. But at least it gets my frustrations out. First and foremost, the good old, I don't know if they're senators or what the hell they are, politicians that are going to the High Court because a law that is part of our Constitution they don't like because they have gone completely against it. Our whole country is based around the rule of law, saying that no one is above the law. Not the cops, but they think they are. Not the politicians, but they obviously think they are. Lawyers will try and twist the words of any law they possibly can to make the people happy that are paying their bills. Um, I think it's ridiculous that they're going to the High Court over such a simple matter. If we get pulled over by the police and we're doing 70k in a 60 zone, when is it appropriate for us to turn around and say, I didn't know it was 60k? Ignorance. We are constantly told ignorance is not a defence. And yet, section or blah blah blah, number 44 in relation to disqualification, people who cannot, no, not cannot, any person who, and there's 5 different options there, who, any of those 5, shall be incapable of being chosen or of sitting as a senator or a member of the House of Representatives. No ifs, no buts, no maybes. First one of those is under any acknowledgement of allegiance, obedience, or adherence to a foreign power. I tend to agree that all of the people in question are not acknowledging allegiance, but it goes on to say, or is a subject or a citizen, or entitled to the rights or privileges of a subject or a citizen of a foreign power. A citizen of a foreign power. To me, that's pretty straightforward. But this particular law, highest in our country, doesn't seem to suit the politicians these days. I don't know how else you can interpret that, but it's pretty damn straightforward to me. Problem is, there's no penalties for not abiding by. Perhaps that's why they're going to the High Court to work out what penalties should be applied. But at the end of the day, those politicians are fucked up, and it's basically brought the whole country into disrepute. Yep, they may not have known. I didn't know it was 60k an hour in the streets here. That don't mean squat, does it? I agree totally. That is one big fuck up that is not going to be easy to clean up. But ultimately, it has to be done. My views on what should be done won't be liked by many. At the end of the day, the first part of that is to get rid of the people who are what was the wording? a citizen or subject or a citizen of a foreign power? Step 1. The fact that they weren't, the fact that they didn't qualify to be in the positions where they were. I think they should be paying back all money that has been paid to them as wages. And unfortunately, all laws that they have passed have to be revisited because they weren't able to, well, they shouldn't have been in that position. Frankly, there should be higher penalties than that. That's an absolute bloody minimum. It's only one of many, many things the government needs to sort out. And I doubt they will. It'll be very interesting to see what the High Court says, but if it comes out with anything other than the fact that they have to stand down, I'll be baffled. I will be baffled. Ignorance is not a fucking offence. Politicians, we're constantly told that, but you obviously don't think it applies to you guys. So how about you just bite the bullet yourselves and resign. Save the costs to us Australians who are only Australians, or that matter, that doesn't matter. But for everyone who is paying for their stupid court cases, quit it, resign, be done with it. Yes, it's a massive fuck up, but it's your fuck up, not ours. Unfortunately, we get the rubbish left behind from your fuck ups. Nothing short of that. So, that will be my first little video that I'm posting, and there will be others to follow when I pull my finger out and do so. Let's see what people think. Let me know.